If you're thinking about buying from Contours RX LLC, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know first. In this video, we'll dive deep into what sets them apart from the competition, what you should be aware of before making your purchase, and why some users rave about their products. Stick around until the end. This could be a game changer for you. First off, Contours RX LLC is best known for their patented eye lift, a product designed to give you the look of a lifted eye without the need for surgery. The key here is their non-invasive approach, which stands out in the market where surgical procedures or Botox are often considered the only options. The eye lift is a stick-on solution, which has received mixed reviews. Some users absolutely love how it works instantly, but it's not for everyone. If you're seeking something that can offer a similar result without surgery, it's a product worth considering. Next thing to note, while their products claim instant results, the effects are temporary. This is important to understand before purchasing. Unlike permanent surgical solutions, the Contours RX eye lift will need to be reapplied daily or as needed. Competitors, like those offering more permanent procedures, will naturally set different expectations, so it's crucial to keep this in mind when weighing your options. The fourth thing to consider is comfort. While the eye lift tape is designed to be discreet and flexible, some users report that it can feel a bit odd at first, especially when compared to other non-surgical options like serums or creams that promise similar effects. The tape requires a bit of getting used to. If you're someone who prefers low-maintenance, long-lasting solutions, this might be a hurdle for you. Now, let's talk price. Contours RX LLC's eye lift products are often more affordable compared to the cost of Botox or even eyelid surgery. However, when you factor in the need to constantly replace the tape, the cost can add up over time. When compared to other brands in the same space, the price is competitive, but it's still a recurring expense. Always keep in mind the ongoing cost when making your decision. The sixth thing you should know is the ease of use. One of the big selling points of Contours RX is how easy their product is to apply. Unlike some competitors, which might require appointments or special tools, the eye lift is a simple at-home solution. This makes it a great option for people who are looking for a quick, effective fix without the hassle of going to a clinic. The straightforward application could be one of the key benefits if you want something that fits into a busy schedule. Lastly, customer service and return policies are something you'll want to be aware of. Contours RX LLC offers a relatively generous return policy for their products, which is definitely a plus in the beauty and wellness industry, where return policies can sometimes be restrictive. Their customer service is also known to be responsive, which is something that many competitors fall short on. If you're interested in giving Contours RX a try, make sure to click the first link in the description to get the best trial offer available. You'll also unlock some exclusive benefits just for watching this video. Don't miss out on this chance to experience a non-invasive temporary eye lift that could give you a refreshed look with minimal effort.